If you're buying crypto in Europe or the United States, there's one major change you need to know about. Since July 2026, new European crypto regulations have changed how exchanges operate. So, how do you choose a platform that's built for the future? Let's find out. Welcome back to Crypto Meridian. If you're new here, subscribe for simple crypto guides, market updates, and the latest blockchain news. Today we're looking at why Paybis has become a trusted choice for millions of crypto users after Europe's latest regulatory changes. On July 1st, 2026, Europe's MiCA regulations entered a new phase. These new rules require crypto platforms to meet strict licensing requirements to continue serving customers across the European Union. If an exchange doesn't have the required authorization where it's needed, users could face service restrictions or experience issues accessing certain features or moving their funds. That's why choosing a compliant platform has become more important than ever. Some major exchanges, including Binance, continue to adjust their European operations and licensing as MiCA requirements are implemented. This is where Paybis stands out. Paybis makes buying crypto simple, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. You can buy Bitcoin and hundreds of other cryptocurrencies using your credit or debit card, and your first purchase comes with 0% Paybis fees. The process is fast, with instant transactions and verification completed in under 2 minutes for most users. Paybis also includes a free wallet that supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, or you can send your crypto directly to your own external wallet if you prefer. In eligible regions, you can buy up to $1,000 worth of crypto without verification, making it easy to get started. And if you ever need assistance, 24/7 customer support is always available. Paybis has been operating since 2014 and now serves more than 7 million users worldwide. The platform has obtained MiCA CASP authorization in the European Union and is also registered with FinCEN in the United States. That means it follows important compliance standards for both European and US customers. Beyond regulation, Paybis focuses on making crypto simple. You can buy popular cryptocurrencies in just a few minutes using multiple payment methods through an easy-to-use interface that's designed for both beginners and experienced users. Now let me quickly show you around the Paybis platform. First, make sure to sign up using my referral link in the description so you can claim the exclusive promotional offer. Once you log in, you'll notice that the Paybis dashboard is clean, modern, and very easy to navigate. Everything is organized nicely, so even if you're new to crypto, you won't feel overwhelmed. From the dashboard, you can easily buy Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies using popular payment methods like Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, or your credit and debit card. The whole buying process is straightforward and only takes a few clicks. If you already own crypto, Paybis also lets you sell your cryptocurrencies or swap one coin for another directly on the platform, making portfolio management quick and convenient. One feature I also noticed is the special promotions displayed at the top of the dashboard. So besides my exclusive offer, Paybis also runs limited time promotions that users can take advantage of. Another feature I really like is the built-in wallet. You can create multiple crypto wallets directly inside Paybis. I've already created several wallets myself, and if I need another one, I simply click Add Wallet, choose the cryptocurrency like Avalanche, enter a wallet name, and it's ready in seconds. You'll also find a live crypto market section where you can track the latest prices for a wide range of cryptocurrencies in real time. Even better, you can switch between currencies like USD, EUR, and many other local currencies, making it much easier to follow prices in the currency you're familiar with. And finally, Paybis includes a built-in crypto calculator, which is really useful. It lets you quickly calculate how much crypto you'll receive based on the latest market price, and if you're happy with the rate, you can buy your crypto right from there. If you're ready to get started with Paybis, be sure to use my exclusive referral link in the description below. As a new user, you'll receive 0% Paybis fees on your first trade, plus 50% off Paybis fees on your next 5 trades, a great way to save while making your first crypto purchases. Simply sign up through my referral link and apply the promo code listed in the description to activate these exclusive rewards. Don't miss out on this limited time offer and start your crypto journey with a trusted, regulated platform like Paybis. That's why I think Paybis is a great choice if you're looking for a crypto platform that's simple, secure, and easy to use. If you'd like to try it, click my referral link in the description, download the Paybis app, and use my promo code to get 0% Paybis fees on your first trade plus 50% off your next 5 trades. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Crypto Meridian, and I'll see you in the next one.